Hey guys, this is Tony. In this video, we are going to talk about how to create URL tracking for Google Analytics. Now, the reason that we are doing this is so that we can track how many people click on the link that we include in the email that we're going to send out. And we also can see how people react to the website once they get there by using Google Analytics. And obviously Buzzstream does have tracking. So you can see, it shows you how many have been sent and how many open it, how many click on the link and things like that. But when you try to align this data with your website, traffic data, it's very difficult. It's almost impossible really to really match it up. So this is why we want to have this URL tracking set up so that you can really see stepwise, okay, someone click on this link, where did they go, how they react, and because the Google Analytics give you bounce rate, shows you the page path, how user once lands to the site, how they're traveling through the site. So let me show you how quickly this can be done. So just go to this website here. I'm gonna include this link in the video note. If you're watching this on YouTube, there's gonna be a link in the video description that will link to my website, digitalradiomarketing.com, and all the video notes for this video is there. So, essentially what you want to do is you basically input the website URL, the page that you want to track, and then campaign source. In this case, I'm just going to call it outreach. Obviously you can call it differently if there are more appropriate name that you want to give it. You can do that too. But in my case, I think outreach is a good campaign name for this. And then I'm gonna use email because that is the way this outreach is being conducted. Obviously, you can do social media, you can do different kind of campaign medium. And then I'm gonna call this single guide. That's the campaign name because essentially this is a single guide that we created that we wanna send it out to other website owners and ask them to give us a backlink. So once you input all this information, and this is essentially the link, and you can see because of the tracking code, it's really long. So what I do is I use URL shortener. Now there are so many out there, but ideally you should use the one that contains your own website URL. So there's a very nice plugin to do that. It's called Pretty Links. There are obviously other plugins out there that does exactly the same thing, but this is the one that I use. And basically just put in the URL code, URL with the tracking code, and then name it something that is pretty. So, that's why it's called Pretty Link, obviously. So, in this case, I call it single guide in one word. And then basically I'm just gonna copy and paste this in the email template that I'm going to send out so that when people click on it, I will be able to see, who clicks on this particular link. And then obviously because of this tracking in Google Analytics, I will be able to see how many people come in from the email outreach campaign and then how they actually react to the website. Just a side note, keep this as temporary, don't do permanent, obviously, because this is just a short URL shortener. You don't want to cause any kind of SEO problem by having this link, being sometimes, user will put this link somewhere else and then it just gets messy. Just keep it temporary so that, it's nice and easy. Just don't change the default setting essentially. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to Digital Radio Marketing channel and check out digitalradiomarketing.com. I'll see you in the next video.